Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today we are at the Four Winds Casino in New Buffalo, Michigan. It is the last stop of our tour, but is also the only stop that we have where we have 2 days of shows. So basically we get like a little chill day, which is today. We do a show in 2 hours. My call time is in 30 minutes. So we do a show in 2 hours. Then we actually have 2 more shows tomorrow. One is for the local, because we're on an Indian reservation, they're doing it for just the local tribe, I guess you would call it. And then we have a normal show. Both of the shows sold out though, so unfortunately no one's getting tickets to those things. Anyways, so today we are reading an email. We got an email from Brianna. Brianna is a local dasher to New Jersey, and she has not logged in for 2 years. Unfortunately, she got deactivated. So let's read her email. Hi Tanner, my name is Brianna. I'm a big fan of your channel. I watch it frequently. However, in the last 2 years, I've been working at a local auto shop as a secretary. I haven't needed to dash and I haven't logged in at all since basically the beginning of the pandemic. After recently quitting my job, I assumed that I would be able to log back in. However, I came into a problem. When I went to log in, Doordash would not allow me to log back in. Then I did some research and I went back about a year ago and Doordash had asked for some paperwork. Paperwork to be filled out. And it was not done, and I did not fill out the IRS form. So basically what happened was if you don't file for I believe it's a 1099 that you got to fill out. I actually just got an email recently from Doordash, so I'll kind of pull up mine and show you guys because she didn't attach hers. Doordash. So basically, what happens is you get a confirm your. That's not going to show. Okay, anyways. My camera can't read it. Hi Tanner, Doordash partners with Stripe to file 1099 tax forms and report your earnings. You should have received an email from Stripe with instructions on how to verify your information and ensure that it's in the right place. So basically what happened was, there's two things I can basically speculate. The reason why, I'm sure you can get your Doordash account reactivated, but yeah, if you don't file your taxes and put in a 1099, basically Doordash is probably going to deactivate you, I'm sure, because that means you're not doing your job essentially. You do need to fill out your taxes and all that and add your 1099 to your tax form, so that way Doordash shows that they paid you. If you never responded to it, you never logged in, you never did any of that information, I believe it was on Stripe 2 years ago as well, I'm not positive though, then you are probably going to get deactivated. So for those of you who are watching this video and you don't want to get deactivated, you probably got an email from Stripe. Make sure that you fill that out. Brianna, I'm pretty positive that if you get that filled out, they will reactivate you, and probably you can get dashing pretty soon. However, I don't know how that works if you didn't file your taxes and put in the Doordash information, but hopefully you're still good. In the meantime, what I think you should do is I think you should at least get logged on to Uber Eats and Grubhub if you possibly can. It's different in every area, but I always recommend that people at least get on multiple platforms, and that way in the meantime, while Doordash is reactivating you, if they reactivate you, you can at least start driving around on multiple platforms. In the last 2 years, there's also been many other apps that came out. So there's so many different gig apps that you can get on. And I always think you should do like one delivery platform, maybe if you are comfortable with it, maybe one rideshare platform, and maybe like one other one, like I'm not promoting it, but the laundry app I thought was pretty cool, you know, if you don't mind doing people's laundry. The laundry app, there's also Instacart and other various ways of making money as a gig driver and not necessarily putting all your eggs in one basket, whether it's doing delivery driving, or because I feel like they probably all have different sweet spots or like prime times where you can do delivery. So maybe like during lunch and dinner time, you get on to the delivery platform that you have, whether it's Uber Eats or Grubhub, or when Doordash hires you again, you get on Doordash at that time. And then maybe during the other times, like probably, I don't really know when the sweet spots would be for like rideshare or something, but that way you can, I mean, I always think you should be logged in for all of them, you know? That way, you're always, if you're trying to work at that time, you can get more offers, and the more offers you have, the better money you're going to make. You know, the more money you can possibly make, the more offers you get. So that's what I would suggest doing if I was you. Again, like we always talk about, putting your eggs in different baskets and not all in the same one, because that's when you get screwed. My best wishes to Brandon. Hopefully you get, I'm pretty sure you will. I'm pretty sure they'll probably just give you like a warning or something if you didn't sign in. But I don't think, she also asked if I think that she got deactivated for not using her DoorDash account, which I don't think you would get deactivated for not using it. I believe it's probably for that Stripe thing, not filling out your 1099 form. That's something that's pretty crucial, and especially like a corporate company like DoorDash would just deactivate you if you don't fill out that stuff, because it's pretty simple to do. And yeah, I don't know how backtracking your taxes works and all that good stuff. So anyways, that's all we got for you guys today. If you guys enjoyed these videos at all, let me know your feedback down below. Has that ever happened to you guys? Have you ever not put out, or have you ever not filled out your 1099s, and what happened? Let me know in the comments down below what you think will happen. And I don't know. Anyways, if you guys enjoy these videos, please consider subscribing and smash that like button for me. We'll see you in the next one. Best wishes, Brianna. Peace, guys.